The Stewards of Saskatchewan project engages landowners and land managers in conserving habitat for the species at risk through one-on-one farm visits and through education and awareness programs. So the Stewards of Saskatchewan project consists of 5 programs as a whole. Operation Burrinell, which is aimed at conserving the endangered Burrinell. Rare Plant Rescue, which is aimed at conserving plant species at risk. Shrubs for Shrikes, which is aimed at conserving the threatened loggerhead shrike. Plovers on Shore, which is aimed at conserving the endangered piping plover. And then our newest program is the Stewards of Saskatchewan Banner program, which includes all other species at risk that are not already targeted by those other programs. And the 4 main goals of the project are habitat conservation, habitat enhancement, population monitoring, and education and awareness. One of the most important and rewarding aspects of the project are the one-on-one farm visits with Saskatchewan farmers and ranchers. And during these on-site visits, staff and landowners are able to meet face-to-face to discuss and learn about the stewardship programs and species at risk. Landowners are provided with a toolkit of printed materials, which serve as a reliable source of educational information about species at risk, their habitat requirements, threats, beneficial management practices, and conservation. And through increased awareness, landowners will be better equipped to reduce or eliminate threats to the species on their land. We also use a wide variety of other educational resources to emphasize our message, including published articles, brochures, fact sheets, ID guides. We have children's coloring books. We also produce an annual newsletter and a species at risk calendar. And in addition to printed materials, we submit several news releases, participate in radio and television interviews, and attend and deliver presentations throughout southern and central Saskatchewan. We also host several conservation awareness events throughout southern and central Saskatchewan every year. And these events feature a free locally catered dinner and include presentations on the Stewards of Saskatchewan project and on other conservation initiatives and research that's available through our partner agencies. And all local stewards are invited to attend, and all other interested landowners and community members. The Stewards of Saskatchewan project really strives to focus on increasing awareness and understanding of sustainable agriculture by educating land managers and landowners about practices that maintain intact native grasslands and functional prairie ecologies. The project contributes to the community understanding of sustainability by working towards the development of social and ecological health in rural Saskatchewan communities. Our education and awareness activities build knowledge about species at risk for a broad range of audiences, and these educational programs help develop and expand their understanding of native prairie ecology and steps that they can take to make small changes to their existing land management plans that will benefit the habitat for species at risk that's living on their land. Delivery of our programs results in greater engagement in stewardship activities and a way for landowners to take action to improve habitat and reduce loss of biodiversity, and an increased compassion for the plight of prairie species at risk in Saskatchewan. Again, thank you on behalf of Nature Saskatchewan and the team that makes this project a success. We're so appreciative of the recognition from RC for our education work. I hope everyone is well and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Caitlin. And I think your project really shows the breadth of education that's involved in education for sustainable development. So thank you so much.